Hey everyone, Peter here. Today, I'm excited to show you how to really make the most of your M-Cube02 with the MEAZOR app. If you're working on a big project or need super precise measurement over a large space, this setup is going to make your job a whole lot easier. Let's get into it, and I will walk you through how to get everything set up and running smoothly. First up, let's connect your M-Cube02 to the MEAZOR app via Bluetooth. Open the app on your phone and pair it with your device. Then, mount your M-Cube02 on the wall and click Laser Measurement. As you can see, the measurements are sent to the app in real time. So, you can keep your eye on the scene even if you're way over there, far away from the M-Cube02. And not just that, you can also switch function remotely from the app. Now, I'm switching to horizontal vertical distance. Rotate the M-Cube02 and line up the laser with the target point on the frame of picture A. It will then calculate the relevant point for you. If you want to measure the distance between picture A and picture B, just switch to point-to-point measurement. Since the laser has already been aimed at point A on the picture A, you will need to locate the point A again and rotate the laser to picture B to locate point B. Then, you instantly get the distance between the 2 points. What if you want to center a new picture between picture A and B? Easy. Just switch to Center Finder. And it will help you to find the exact midpoint. Since the laser has already been aimed at point B, you need to locate the point B again. And then, rotate the laser back to the picture A and relocate point A. After that, follow the app's instruction to rotate M-Cube to exact angle. Use your target mate to make sure the laser hit the plate. Then move it back and forth until the app says perfect. Now, once it's done, you can mark the midpoint with your pencil. Now, you can hang your new picture perfectly centered between picture A and B. That is simple with the M-Cube02 and MEAZOR app. Using this feature flexibly can really simplify your workflow and save you from tedious calculation. With the MEAZOR app, your M-Cube becomes even more powerful for big projects. No more moving back and forth to switch function and check measurement. Everything you need is just right here in the app. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the tools. See you in the next video.